Okay.
You see?
Yeah, recording.
Hi everybody, we are
Hi.
here live in Vivian Hair Design. Now I have here with me my favorite customer, Angelique.
Thank you.
She drive all the way here for her hair. So we're gonna blow dry her hair. Let me just put the camera. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes?
Hi. Hi, everybody.
So she's here and we just cut her hair and we colored her hair. So now we're gonna blow dry her hair. So we will show you. So Angelique, do you want to say something to everybody there in the world? They are here looking at us. Hi everybody.
Well, I've come here specially because I only trust Amal here in Vivian Hair Design.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I have travelled half an hour to come here.
Yeah. Thank you very much. They come here, you can talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really.
A very nice place to come. Very, very nice people.
Yeah.
Make you feel very welcome.
Yeah. I love it. Really nice.
And I was so frightened to have my hair cut.
Yeah. You feel really
Yeah.
It's a good change, right?
Yeah.
So today is 25th of July. We are here in Spain and it's beautiful weather.
It is, it's gorgeous.
It's 30 degrees, no?
Yes, I'm not surprised, yeah.
30 degrees.
But my family are coming to visit on Monday and they want the hot weather, so they're coming for holiday.
They come in all the family vacation here in Spain, so it is safe. Spain is safe.
It is, yeah, very safe.
If you call your family now, that's actually all right.
No. I want this to be a surprise when I go to pick them up at the airport.
Yeah. I love it. Look at it. It's so nice. So it's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
How nice. Now you're sitting beside me and everybody in the world see you.
Yeah.
Lovely. I think you're my name and everything. You can see the trees my head. You can see it so you can see me. Online. Around the world. Isn't it really amazing?
Oh, such a nice setting here with the golf course behind. Yeah.
Very nice
Yeah.
golf course, yes.
Yeah.
Everybody can go there, so
That's
people
right.
are golfing now.
And the sunshine.
And sunshine in Spain.
My sister who is coming, I think she's fed up with the rain in England because it has been raining the past few days.
Very, yeah. Wow. Look at it. Beautiful. So actually this is our goal for 6 months now.
Wow.
Lovely.
I think I looked like a witch when I came and now I have been transformed. Yeah. I just have to get used to it being a bit darker because before my hair was a lot lighter with the sun.
So beautiful. So actually she had little bit roots.
Yeah.
And we didn't want to color all her hair, so we put some low light in it because she don't like to color every 6 weeks. So we put a gold blonde hair color in her hair. So very nice, soft color in her hair. So, and she had very long hair, and so we removed like
Not
that's
much. Yeah.
yeah. So when your sister comes, she see your hair, and then she say, "Wow,
Yeah.
very nice." Yeah.
She will be saying, "Who are you?"
Who are you, my
Yeah.
sister? Yeah. You are very cold.
Cold. I come down a bit.
Oh, thank you. Can you see it? You can see it.
You need to stand up on a box.
Otherwise, people kind of, ooh, what are you kind of?
Yeah, but dark.
I need to see the print. What do you want to do with the print?
Yeah.
Because I think it's a pretty print.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please stand up. Sit down, sit down. You can sit down.
Oh. You sure?
Yeah. Yeah, can you sit down?
I have been treated like a celebrity. I am the only one here.
Celebrity.
Yeah, celebrity.
Do you want me to do something with you first?
Well, you need to do it so it looks okay for this to cover. What do you think?
Because I don't think that nothing is better.
No, yeah.
But we need to see. And you don't need to get too much print, huh? You need to do the hair. It's long enough. What do you say? This hair is very long. Of course, you don't want to make too much print.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, so it goes forward.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So, let's do those like this one, and you can decide what you want. It looks like I put you a highlight. You see that?
Yeah,
You did it with highlight. It's beautiful color.
yeah.
That's something to your sister. Yeah, that's nice. When you see it in the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Usually when I do my hair, I blow dry a little bit and then I put in big Velcro rollers for the height,
Yeah.
you know, for the top.
Yeah. Now they can do it. So Angelique, she's very happy. Her sister's coming
Yes,
to visit her.
and my niece.
Yeah, that's really nice. I think I like the French like this. You
Yeah.
don't need to cut this.
No, okay.
No, this is
Yeah,
perfect.
it's okay, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see it better than me.
Yeah, it's really nice. So, like you showed me in the picture, what
Yeah.
they did, they color this inside
Yeah.
more with gold, right? So I can use the small one now to do that. Wow. You see your eyebrows so beautiful now.
Yeah.
You see, that's why I don't want to make more print. Otherwise, this would be thinner, you know?
That's right, yeah.
This side here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because my hair is thin anyway, you know, so
Wow. it. These days, I told you, when you look at it, it's so different.
Yeah.
And you will never have problem with the color now.
No.
Because it's natural. And different colors. You look like 50 now. Yeah, you look very young.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, then you've made a miracle to make me look young.
Oh, thank you very much. Very nice. It's just perfect length. It's just perfect length. Wow. This is so nice. Let me show you. Could you please hold it? Oh, so lovely.
Yeah.
Do you
yeah.
see it?
Nice colours.
And
Yeah.
it's perfect length also.
Yeah.
Turn, turn, turn.
Yeah.
Turn, 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 turn. Wow. Turn, 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 turn. It's very hot. Let me take this one. Yeah, sorry. We need to use all the plastic. Yeah. So, see? Oh, yeah. So, okay, Andrew. I love it. I
Yeah.
think it's just perfect.
It's okay.
Look to them. Tell them something. Can you see Angelique?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's beautiful.
Do you want me to make it a little bit near you?
No,
You can
no.
see it.
It's better far away.
Let me just control the fringe and then we're ready. I think this is just perfect. Oh, this is just really nice. I love it. If you take this, you see the colors.
Yeah, yeah.
Very soft, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
So,
More natural.
yeah, let's see. Okay. So hi guys, this is the hair of Angelique. Let me show you. Very nice, lovely fringe, and we put her some bow light in the hair. A beautiful, nice, lovely hair. I wish you can see it. May just look like that. Maybe see it. So lovely, so nice, so pretty. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay,
So pleased with the result. It is
Yeah.
very nice.
Angelique, if you turn the chair,
Yeah.
so the sun is standing in your face, so they can see the color. Look. So, Angelique, how do you feel, baby?
I feel a new woman.
Okay. So this is Angelique with us today. We were very happy to have her with us, and you feel a new woman.
Yes, feel a
Yeah.
new woman. Yeah.
So what's your plan
Feel a
for
lot
today?
better.
What are you going to do today? Something special?
Well, I am going to go back to my house to get ready for my visitors coming. So I have a lot of work to do. Everything to prepare.
Yeah, make everything ready for
Yes.
her sisters coming for visiting
Yeah,
her.
from
We
England.
are very happy to do her hair.
Yeah.
Very nice fringe, very nice length, and beautiful colors. And she feels very young, and we are very happy. We will say bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for being with us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.